Today I will show some penny chemistry. First, first step, pouring some white vinegar. Pour some white vinegar in the plate. And add some salt in the plate. And then mix them together until the salt completely dissolved. And now take some pennies, dirty pennies. And put them in the plate. We can see that pennies start to clean themselves in the solution. Let we wait several minutes to see the result. And then we get we move the pennies to the clean water. and wash these pennies, and then put them on the water towel, paper towel. We can see some of the pennies become cleaner than before. This is because the copper oxide on the that formed on the coins over time of the mixture uh, were dissolved in the mixture of the vinegar and salt. But we can still see some pennies still dirty like this and this. I think that because on the surface of the pennies, these dirties might not the copper oxide, maybe other thing, maybe other things, so it cannot dissolve in these solutions. Uh, we can also put some solution drop. We can also put some solution drops on the coins, top of coins. Obviously, we can see from this experiment we can see that when we put some these solution drops on the coins, it can form different patterns that formed on the coins. And this is have the same principle as the former experiment. And next, we can put some nuts in the solutions that are left. Um, and we can see several minutes, um, and now the nurse starts to turn starts to darken quickly. This is because the copper that was removed from corn in the solutions now stuck itself on the nurse, so it will form a cover on the nurse, and it becomes dark. And now we will do uh, another experiment. We also pour some vinegars in the plate and put some salt and mix them together until the salt completely dissolved in the solution. Now we put some coins in the plate. And then let us wait several minutes. You can see this pennies becomes clean themselves quickly. And now we don't put them in the clean water to wash them, and we just put them on the paper towel directly. And then now let me wait several minutes.